Welcome back to some more Stationeers. We're going back to Mars, and we are going to finish up the production room. Good. That is still going. I left that running. Awesome. A little bit of technical difficulties. I forgot to plug my headset in. So, here we are. Okay. So essentially, we're almost there. Biggest hiccup is I got to get this system hooked up to something because it's I got about 20 degrees of useful space in there thermally. So okay. Does not like that's better. Note to self. Saving while these machines aren't running locks them up. No, that's running. Okay, we're gonna need that. And plenty more to come, as someone might say. Alright, let's start. I kinda like it, but I also kind of not. Used to be like a little bit dimmer. It's a little bit extra flare though. So what do we got? So this is technically closed off, so it is a room from this angle. The back side. Well, there's a door. So this actually should be a room. If I pull out the tool, this will say world? Oh, because of that. Because of that. So if I pull this out. You know what? Sure. We'll do a composite window. So this now should say room. Yeah, cool. Look at that. This is a room. It's not closed off, but it's a room. So I'm going to bring the wall up here. So that's going to be blocked in. Then we're going to have also put a wall right here. That was that a flat wall? No, composite, just wall, right? That's flat wall. So that was just a wall. So let's open that up. Let's get a wall. Okay. And why not continuing with the tradition here? Excuse me. There we go, that's sealed off. So how do I want to do this? I need to get rid of this. And this is what? This is bypassing? What's this doing? Oh, yeah. Because I'm generating power with that. Which is a fun experiment, but it's not really useful. I wonder if in series, like if I had a bunch of these in a tunnel, essentially be using the same mechanism. We'll explore that option another time. But I need a hand drill to deconstruct this. Oh, really? That's all there is to it? That's kind of boring. So we will... Do I have any room in here? Nope. Throw that in there. Okay, angle grinder. Hand drill. And was it crowbar? I think is what it said. Cool. So centrifuge. Throw that there. And this being no longer useful, we will use up the last remaining bit of my space here. And pack this heavy cable away. Alright. Good enough for now. I thought I had more frames. Steel frames, huh? We'll make a bunch. So we will continue this wall. This is going to move eventually. Debating. See, power room's going to be above here. I guess I could make a room for hot gases. Well, gases, period. Over there. That'll work. That'll work. And then I'm going to need lots of frames. Walls, lights. Lights. There's a light missing here. Well, more than one, but. Wall long. And. Set. Nope. Wrong side. Wrong side. As soon as I make this a room, that is going to work. Let's go ahead and do... Nope. Wrong. Sheets. Steel sheets. Those frames to there. Out the welder. This should get me where I need to go for now. I was one shy. I was one shy. I was one shy guy. Okay, so kind of thinking, yeah, we can use this as another airlock, or at least an interior emergency airlock. I don't know. Something similar. You don't have power yet. Oh, right, because we haven't routed all the power yet. Okay. Let's go and turn you off. Eject what's in there. Let's go up on top. Right, because this is where the power is going to come off of. Pretty sure that's the yeah, that's what it is. That is the power output. I could probably do some load balancing with transformers and stuff like that, but I don't think I'm going to worry about it at this instant. I do at the very least, need to get one in there to make sure that I don't overload the circuit. That's kind of what I'm doing over there. So the input will be on that side. You can start moving that stuff eventually. Okie dokie. So let's do a door. Two doors. Powered vents would be from the hydraulics. Hydraulics? Pipe bender. And wall. We just want wall. Composite door. Composite door. There we go. And we'll move that eventually. At least that's the idea. Frame. Okay. There's wiring there. I will go ahead and drop the frame down now, but I'm not going to weld it up. That way, because then I can... Oh, that's a question. If I don't weld up the frames, does it make a room? We're going to find out. We're going to test that. As one of those relatively well-known YouTubers would say, we're going to test that. Composite window. Right there. Composite window. Okay, so if indeedy, well, those lights would be on. Oh, wait, is that? Ah, right here. We do that. Okay. Wrong button. We do this. Yeah, still whirled. So those frames need to be welded up to actually be considered. So what I need to do that would be basically evacuate this tank. And I need to do name badges on everything. So you're good, you're happy. You good, you're happy. Or do walls need to be sealed up too? Windows? No, obviously not windows. Because otherwise that room would no longer be a room. Yeah, getting used to the idiosyncrasies. So insulated tanks. Insulated tanks, that's what we're going to do. We're gonna, is there anything I can stack up? Not really. That's okay. I could, boom, there we go. That gives me a little bit of space. Just enough to grab those. Wee-oo, wee-oo, danger, Will Robinson, danger. I love coffee for my coffee hole. Okay, so what do we need? We need insulated tanks out the wazoo. Stuttering. Insulated tank. Ah, crap, I need copper. Need copper for that. Okay. Do 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 do. Okay. Going to find my brain. Copper. Copper, 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 copper. I don't have any copper ready, but I got some nickel. Alright. Open that up. Oh, cool. It actually saved that? Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crack this open a little bit. Let it process. Okay, we're good there. We've got a green light. Let's pull the lever. Yay! We have copper. Guess I don't need to hold onto the bag. She left me holding the bag. You know what? I'm gonna make a button that'll push. Push and evacuate on its own. Seizure room. Alrighty. Crack that open. Insulated tank. See, you are still. Yeah, you're struggling. Struggling, so I gotta do something with that. Whoa! That escalated quickly. Okay. I guess I don't have the luxury of dinking around with that. So I do need those. I think they just take pipes. So I probably should take some of those too. What I don't need would be what I don't need would be everything I don't need, except I need pretty much everything that I can live without for now. Sensors, I can go up there. That's where I got some APCs laying around too. Oh, that's a lot more silicon than I thought it was. That's enough to give me one big tank, which is what I need. So, regular pipe. There's a lot of stuff with pipe in the name. Okay, I guess drink some water while we're here. No, drink some water while we're here. Thirsty boy. One koi. You know what? Yeah. Save a little bit here. What are we down to? Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and swap that out. So open that up. Doesn't mean, well, you know what? I don't have much for nitrogen, so I'll just leave it as is. Okay, there we go. I do have room. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Stuff in the way. Alright. Danger, Will Robinson. Danger, Will Robinson. Gonna need that. Okay, so our cooling system will be on the roof. Maybe that actually needs to be... Let me think about that. Let me think about that. So we need a good eastern exposure and a good southern exposure. So technically, if I'm going to put anything on the roof, it needs to be over here. And outside... Oh, I forgot there's no hole there anymore. The hole's over here. Okay, convection radiator. There you are. Now 5. Or were these steel sheets? Yeah, welding torch and steel sheets. I do have steel sheets and I have a welding torch. So, there we go. Wham, bam, 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 bam. Okay, pull out the pipes. So these are now hooked up there. And since I don't care about the temperature getting cold, we will leave that insulated. If we run over this way, straight through, I'm gonna have to... So I'm running through the airlock for some of this stuff. I may actually want to... Okay, if we... So we know that this is the wall, so if I break one of those, up top it'll be fine. So if I break that one, yeah, okay. So if I break this one, it'll be fine. Okay, pull this out, pull that out, and there we go. So we're gonna have a window. How do I want to do this? I guess, yeah, I don't really want to make a pipe spaghetti, but this would come. Trying to plan it out. So this block, I don't know. Well, how about this? Start by moving some of this. So, is it grinder? Wrench. Let's go ahead and move the... Okay, wire cutters. Ah! Okay, wire cutters. And then drill. Angle grinder. Sheets. There we go. And now the drill. Okay, we're gonna go. Pew! Can't quite make it. So, question. Can they? Nope, they need a frame. Alright. put a frame right there. Is that data and powder? Okay, well, in that case, I really don't care about the data. At least at the moment. So we'll do that. 2, 3. And there will be plenty more where that came from. So now we can run here. We just do it now. Ah, man. I don't like the mouse wheel on this thing. It's oh. Nah. That's the end of that. Okay. Grab a heavy cable. Do. Probably grab some sheets. Those turbines. They go up to 10K, I thought. I think it actually goes up to 20. I think the Stationpedia is wrong. I ain't gonna need more than that. Heavy cable. Okay. Well, I guess while we're waiting on that, victory potato! Patatoe! Yummy. Okay. Close. There we go. Go on upstairs and have a drink of water. Okay, those are ready to harvest. Why am I looking at you? You're not gonna do me any good. Is it, okay. Larry must be at the auto lathe. Sure. Larry, Doc, Hydroponics. Electronic parts. This is from the electronics printer. Okay. Ooh. Hastelloy. What's Hastelloy take? Wow. There we go. That's the problem right there. Temperature. Temperature's the problem. You know what? Somebody keeps stealing my pens. Luckily, I've got a big old supply up there. So we need 25 to 30 megapascals, which is pretty easy to do. Silver. We need nickel. We need cobalt. Lots of cobalt. Okay, and we need 2 silver for everything else. I actually don't have the temperatures written down. Okay. How are we doing? 35. by the gold, so 44 more. I'll take you, take you, flip that, start there. Gonna need that cable eventually. Need gold, right? And copper. I think I need copper too. Yeah. Nope. Jumped the gun. Red light. Feed. We're going to do that. Give us plenty of space to do whatever we need to do on this supply side. So I say 1, 2, yeah, we're gonna make a bus over here, the input bus. Something's making my frame suffer. Okay, there's that, there's that, there's that. That's going to be a transformer, which I forgot to make. Okay, screwdriver, right? Welding tool. Oh, yeah, gotta start with the sheets. Cable coil and screwdriver. Wow. Okay, here are definitely steel sheets and electronic parts, I think. Okay, 2 electronic parts each, so I need 6 electronic parts for this. Okay, 6 electronic parts and a big transformer. Best part's going to be keeping the storms out. That can move all the production out. So, electronic parts. Need gold and copper. And T-boink. Okay. Electronics parts and a transformer. So, run back out. Copper and gold. Copper and gold. Copper and gold. Eventually make a helmet. I swear mine's getting damaged rolling around on the floor. Copper. Gold. Works for me. Nothing in there. Good. Copper. Crack it open. Boom. Should be good. It's done processing. As long as it's got green light there. Okay, green light. Pull the lever. Alright, gold. I should actually be able to use the same exact gas. Okay, good to go. Pull the lever. Eject. Google gauge says it's pretty close to 0, so we're gonna go ahead. There we go. we will shut you off and you off for now. Save. 200. I don't know if it's 200 watts of power or 150 watts of power. Which, I got enough coal, it doesn't really matter. Get in there. Need 6 of these. There's also other stuff that needs it. But oh, that right there is 6. So I got a spare one. Almost felt like I had one floating around. Oh, there's the consoles. Another battery. It's easy enough, I just cut the input to certain batteries. Do I need to build it with anything else? No, just build it. Okay. Ouch. Stab myself in the ear. Ah, that's not the way to do it. Okay, just transformer large. Off and off. Good to go. You're probably... yeah. Really struggling. But that's okay. We'll alleviate you soon here. Out. Oh, good. Ah, it's backwards. Okay. There we go. So there's the power out. Power input and data. Okay, so we're going to go... I'm going to limit you to 100,000 because that's the limitation of the... No, I'm going to limit you to 50,000 because that's the limitation there. So screwdriver. Okay. On. Pulling the power from there. Okay. So we are going to run out of space is what we're going to do, because, yeah. Okay, we'll do that for now. This is powering the APCs for the solar. Okay, so let's not quite get there. Might as well clean it all up if I'm going to clean it up. Oh yeah, I gotta go down there. That was total... Come on, jump. Okay. That is looking very good. Very, very, very good. So that's going to be dumping power over to this APC. Okay, we're doing good. I will extend this out and eventually do I want to... I now have the real estate. I can actually checkerboard them a little bit. So Alright, so we will leave a space. Checkerboard. Okay, alright, I got it. Does it matter if I isolate the data and the network? I think these only are capable of doing 500 watts on Mars, which means I would have to have a lot of them to overload the heavy cable. A lot of them. So I don't think it's important that I separate it. So if I keep it in this orientation, data port will be on this side. Don't know why the lights change. Okay. So let's go ahead and checkerboard them, right? Boom. 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 Technically, there's a way to do this and reduce. Yeah, you know what? It's a little goofy, but I'll do that. It's not as optimal as it could be, but I'm not super concerned about optimability. If it had a better overhead, wait, huh? Oh, yeah. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. It looks like SpaghettiOs, but it's not. I mean, it kind of technically is, but... Let's turn around. I don't know why I feel like I'm paranoid of falling off. Not that it really matters. I got a jetpack and everything. Excuse me. Oop. Alright, you're gonna be... Alright, now the question is, where do I want to put... So every time... Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to isolate the... Because technically I think 5 of these could overrun. Okay, yeah, so we will... Yeah, that's what we'll do. Okay, let's start chopping a couple of these down. Start the furthest away. Let's just do that for now. I didn't actually check to see if they were damaged, so I'm not doing anything with the pressure. Apparently there's a bug that if the room is the same temperature and pressure as the outdoor environment, it will still treat it as a world and spawn a storm inside.
Power low.
Oh, my power is low. I guess I gotta step a little closer to the base now. Ooh. Yeah, nope, no, they're good. They are good. So I'm gonna take another. That's ridiculous how much cable that is. There we go. Hopefully I can skirt by the... Oh, good. I can't. That is not right. That's right. Okay. So let's do that. Let's... Should have actually started from the other side. That would have made more sense. Technically speaking, I probably could plug everything in here. Gonna be short. Yeah, I could actually just take the cable and throw it up here. But, not gonna do that. Not gonna do that. Not gonna do that. I need to grinder. It's grinder, right? Grinder for the heavy bits. Then crowbar for you. They only stacked 5, yes they do. Okay, there's that. Hey, technically speaking, I could reverse 180 on one of these and just have a line. But this I can use my existing code as is, scot-free. Yeah. Of course, I'm going to have to get some walls and stuff over here soon. Okay, let's do that. Oh, you know what? I can do that and that. Yeah, get my extra 4. Let's put Why are you... Wait a minute. Why are you all screwed up? I find that highly offensive. If I'm going to accidentally lose something, I would kind of like it to be that. Okay. Didn't even notice. Okay. Alright. Your welding torch. It's not a huge amount of power, but I'm generating something. Trying to dump it into the new battery. Okay, getting a little low. You know, I've really got to put someone's crap away for now. Think I was doing flat walls. Let's see, steel frame. Don't need that for now. Iron sheets. Just wall. Okay, electronics parts. Don't need. Get the glass on here. Getting thirsty again. That one. Okay, flat wall. Have no what? No window. So just wall has composite window. Steel. All right, there we go. Probably steel and glass. Silicon. You know what? Mr. Pipe Bender asks that it has some silicon, so we will siliconize. We will become Silicon Valley. Load that up a little extra because silicon requires a little extra heat. Got a little bit of room. Put my flat walls away. Just because I don't need them.
Hydration critical.
Yeah, I know. Done processing? Good. Okay, we're gonna do that. Well, let's go and we'll drink some water. I imagine that the room's gonna be running soon. Because that is really struggling. Tank. Let's try that again. Tank, not yank. Tank. That gives me, well, one more because the steel confines. I do have 500 grams of steel over here. Okay, so I would run short. It's going to give me 8 tanks for the silicon that I have. Drink some water. Eat a potato. Drink some coffee. Not quite full stomach, but I'll have dessert later. Okay, do I just go ahead and leave that running? I should do that. And what would be a good place to pull this out? I got this kind of spaghettied with this. Actually, almost be better to go across the front. Ow. Maybe that's what I do for now, is I just spaghetti it across the front and deal with it. It'll help when I clear the production out of there. Composite window. We're going to ignore that for now. I'm actually, that's right, I was going to have batteries in the same room. It's going to be a big room. That's okay. Okay, maybe not quite that big. Yeah, alright, maybe I'll... Okay, we got our limits. So we're going to have radiators just outside view. And then the power cables right here. Yep. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. The top are drained here, so now that I've actually got room, do that. Keep the top batteries from getting charged. So I was going to move that over, but I don't know. So I am cutting my production down. Let's go down 1. Shoot, this is actually going to be, this is going to be a block, isn't it? Crap. All right. So that's what we're going to do. For now, it's going to be a floating, but this is essentially going to be along the frame wall. Okay, what am I doing? That's... You know what? Actually, probably completely fine. Which way did it go, George? Which way did it go? So many things to think about all at once. I think one of my biggest things is getting this to be a little bit more happy, so I stop pulling so hard on the on the power system. Well, that's not going to give me much, but it's a start. What kind of sensors is this? Daylight, motion, gas, occupancy, proximity. This gives me 2 minutes until we turn back on. So, need iron. Okay. Write that on my helmet to-do list. I got these... Oh, that would be cool. I got these glasses so I can see ores and stuff. Why can't I have like a to-do list in my glasses? That'd be pretty cool. 105 PSI, or PSI, KPA? I mean, 100 KPA isn't... Ow, wrong button. I'm playing too much Satisfactory. Good God. There we go, there's radiators. I'm gonna put a purge line on that at some point. So this right here is, well, overkill. Don't necessarily need those. What we are gonna do though is go this will work because I think, oh good. This will get me what I need. Okay, so this should have an atmosphere. 3 megapascals. We are losing temperature fast, so my air conditioner will be happy with that. Okay. Okay. Let's take a pause. Iron. So left that on. Iron. We're gonna make a whole bunch of iron. going to be a lot of iron. See what we come to. I think we're doing okay on steel. Yeah, I just... Yeah, we're good. Cobalt. Happy about that. Cobalt. Nickel. Oh, I got some uranium. Coal. Alright. So coal, silicon, silicon, lead, silver, silver, nickel, nickel, gold. Gold. Lead. 550. 600. 650. 7. 750. 8. 850. 9. 950. Yeah, okay. That works for me. Actually, pressure's not all that high. Interesting. You're extra cold in here. It's kind of neat. Done processing? Not yet. Almost. There we go. That should be the end of it. 1 kilo. Alright, let's go ahead and dump the pressure. Okay. Boom. A lot of iron. What are you doing on iron? You're doing quite well on iron. It's the pipe bender that needs it. Maybe the electronics. So let's go in. Let's see how happy the air conditioner is. Air conditioner's happy enough. Okay, you have no iron? No, you do. You're very happy. And you've got 200 iron. 20 iron. Guess what? You get to get iron. Okay. Insulated tanks. Purge valve, right? Maybe it's just a valve. Purge valve. Oh, that's gas. Pumps gas into a liquid pipe in order to raise pressure. So a buffer. It's not what I want. So drain. Passive liquid drain. Moves liquids from a pipe network to the world atmosphere. Okay, so that's what I need. Liquid drain. That's what I need. That'll get the liquid pollutant out of here. How are we doing? Yeah, we're doing good. Alright. There. Got the valve. Drain. No. Active liquid outlet. Passive liquid drain. That's... Oh, that's a Jesus, dumbass. That's not what I need. Well, okay, let's take a look at atmospherics, see what there is to see. Don't care about canisters or atmospheric devices. Pipes could be what I'm looking for. Condensation valve allows for the removal of there we go. That's what I want. Liquids from, yeah, that's what I need. Jeez. Yeet! I didn't eat very far. Condensation valve. That's exactly what I want. Ah, jeez. In and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. So, we look here, and we do this. There's actually no liquefied pollutant at the moment. So, we're going to leave that closed for now. Well, the pressure's way low. That's probably... What is the atmospheric composition out here? Really have a problem with that. I almost want to make a pump inlet system. Okay. All right. Okay, so that's going. I need to. Well, it's working. That's what it needs to do. So next up, let's eat that out of there. Let's start walling, build my wall. Figure out where I'm gonna put my access way too. That is definitely not the right button. Guess this is where it's going to be. didn't want to, I could actually close off the north side. North side, right? Yep, north side. It's going to require a lot of glass too. Getting thirsty. Anybody getting sick yet? Going in circles. Very close. Okay. What is on? Oh, this is on. That doesn't need to be on. Nor does that need to be on. And quite frankly, we'll just turn that off too. Ooh, we are officially out of power up there. Okay. Alright, so let's okay, so the daylight sensor, which is on the data side of this, is gonna, okay, all right. Okay, it's gonna have its own battery, but let's grab that because we're gonna need it. And then no. Gonna be we do want it to be on the side. Let's do it over here. I'm trying to think, because we want it on the. Yeah, here we go. Alright, so we're going to do this. Daylight sensor there. I'm going to put the IC sensor right here. There we go. No, wait, no. You're going to be my goodness. There we go. Okay, that's going to give me my APC. So let's pry this open. Oh, got the nuclear battery here. I'm going to put that away. Grab the drill. Okay. Power controller. Do that. Crack that open. Okay. Alright, throw that in there, and we're going to set daylight sensor. Now that should start everybody tracking. Okay, good. Alright. Upright wind turbines. Getting on the thirsty side. Alright, so let's start clipping and snipping. Let's get, see, that is the main power, so let's get
hydration critical.
Yeah, I know. I'm thirsty. I'm a thirsty boy. What can I say? Okay. Gonna come down here. And then I guess we're gonna do that because it's still coming in there. So we're going to do a three-way junction, and that's going to be a straight cable. Alright, the rest of this is just okay, got all that heavy cable. Could actually grab this guy. And he could be over here. Frame below for support. Let's pull it in on the solar panel line. At least what could be. We'll do that for now. Yeah, okay. Not to be too picky. Oh, I was hoping it'd just suck in. 20 kilowatts. That's just a little bit. Well, you're green. I can't see anybody else. I'm not going to worry about it. There we go. Happy. All right, pull that out. Crowbars. This is like all 20 million degrees of messed up. Okay. Grinder. Drill, baby, drill. Awkward. Okay. What's this? Solar panel heavy. Well, okay. Can I at least pull 4 of these up? Pull this out. Okay, you're all good. You. I'm very thirsty. I probably should drink something. May not have been exactly what I wanted, but whatever. What am I doing? I lost my own backyard.
Hunger caution.
Yeah, I know. Thirsty. Very thirsty. About to start panting like a dog. What am I doing? Wow. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Up. Don't know why you're not hooked up, but you're not hooked up. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Where are we? 5 kilowatts? Yep, there's the heavy breathing. So let's take a quick break. Let's run inside. Thirsty, hungry, probably going to be stinky here in a bit, so I might as well do us all a favor. De-stinkify. 52% damage on the suit. Water first. Ta! Make up a potato. Go. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Alright, what else? Probably gonna need insulated pipe. Insulated pipe. Oh, 23. Silicon. Oh yeah, no, I got eaten by this. I don't know if I even want to put those out. We're doing a battery. 86%. Okay. Right on top of the room, so. Alright, this is getting power situated. I was hoping to have the... yeah, whatever. Plug these in for now, right? How's it gonna hurt? Okay. 1, 2, 3, so theoretically 60,000. I'll be generous and say 10,000, so 70,000. We're good. We're still within the legal limits. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, we're good. This is. We're gonna do that. It's interesting, I didn't realize the junction boxes actually had a collision hitbox. Wow, that added up quick. Okay, so that's all of the heavy cable in this room. And I've already got those, so let's go ahead and snip snip. Hand drill. Room is pretty much decommissioned. Okay, do that, do that, do that. There we go. And yeah, we'll call that good for now. We'll come upon that as we need. Up. There we go. That will work for me. whatever. I guess throw these out, because... Looks like everybody is good. Everybody's good. Need to make some more walls and then start on this mess. Okay, so walls. Let's go composite window, right? Composite window takes plastic sheet and glass sheet. Both are silicon, actually. So in which case, I might want to throw another 100 in. So I think that's 300. 300 grams. Which really should... 300 kilograms would seem closer to... actually have. Okay. Let's throw that in. That's enough walls for now. I got a manual. Wait, I think I got everything I need there, so I'm going to go and do glass sheets. Gaps. Well, composite window, composite window, composite window. So 3. Yeah. Put that up there because I don't want to lose track of it. Glass sheets. I need a bazillion of those. Okay, guess. Nope. Yeah, there we go. Be happy. That means my pipe heaters aren't going to work. Which is fine as long as it's the other stuff's still working. That's the important part. Okay, glass sheets. I guess we'll start with that. I do have some more there. Wow. Plastic sheets first. Okay. So maybe I should do the plastic sheets then. Don't feel like I got anything done. Okay, that's where the door's gonna be. Get a bunch of iron sheets. Glass sheets as well, but didn't actually calculate how big this room is, so I don't know how many sheets I really need. Currently, the answer is yes. That's how many sheets I need. I'm melting through the floor. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 by 3, 4, 5. 9 by 12? 9 by 12, so that's at 100 and... 118. Seven of these. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll just make 2 stacks, and that should be enough. We'll need a little bit more glass. Nope, I was 1 shy. These require 2 silicon, right? Alright, so it's not going to get out of control. At least with this material, it is fairly obvious when you don't have ones done. At least the wall type. get into the glass, that's a different story. I've been pretty demanding on the batteries.
Waste tank caution.
Yeah. Waste tank caution. Okay, I got all the plastic sheets out. Cool. Let's grab the glass. Okay. Go ahead and start getting that done. Thinking about it. Oh, I only got one door. Okay, that's a problem. That's a problem. Okay, well this window is at least slightly easier to... Oh my goodness. Spaghetti. Shoot. Okay. Good there. I do not have enough glass. So let's do the hard stuff. I should say I do not have the glass at the moment. That may change. So I could deconstruct the other solar room. Yeah, toast. Good start. And was it? Sheets. There we go. Well, you know what? This is kind of small fries. Get the glass sheets out. Cool. All right. So I think it should be pretty close to being safe to boxing it in. Yeah. Coolness. Coolness. So there we are. Good. Okay. 2 doors. Stairs. Trying to remember. It's just door kit. A dork kit. Door kit. I got the one. Call that good. So I got that. Stairs. Stairs. That's plastic sheets. Plastic sheets. Good golly. Oh, that's 2. 2 plastic sheets. I don't have enough. But I can put windows in, right? Why does it not? There we go. How many do I got? That's probably a good enough number. Nope. Wrong button. Stairs with rails. It's gonna be... that way. kit. What do you say, a grinder? Crowbar? Hand drill. Okay. Composite door. And composite door. That's how it's going to go. Need more plastic, which means we need more silicon. Open that up, open that up. Any silicon? Nope. Open that up. It's actually pretty ridiculous how much silicon I just went through. Well, I have enough for two. Not enough to do anything. 200 silicon. Waste tank is getting pretty close to full. Ooh, yeah, I almost pulled the lever.
Hydration critical.
Yes. Might as well. Right. Play a game with that later, not now. Plastic sheets. We need some walls. Should I grab a smaller one? I may need some steel sheets. Steel sheets. I'm gonna need a bunch of those anyway, and steel frames, so, alright. Plating.
Power low.
I'm just gonna do that. Call it good. Steel sheets. That's the one that I really want. Dang damn it. really close to that. So I now have a door. Alright, so I just need a series of frames. Okay. Frames, steel frames. Should be enough to do what I need to do. Wires are good, can't combine anything else. Walls for now, flat wall. Seriously? Alright, where's my... Of course. Alright. You gotta ban somebody. Jeez, I don't even have real people to ban. It's all the frickin' bots. Okay. So you actually can be a frame. And you're not going to be a frame. Standing is going to be a frame at some point. Oh, I'm out of frames. There we go. That's good. Builder. Flat wall, right? Not flat wall. Wall. Yep, composite window. Okay, do that. That is plastic sheet and glass sheet. And temporarily, actually, yeah, I think I'm gonna make it a wall all around. Okay, I think all the frames are ran on steel, right? Yeah, ran on steel. Let's go ahead and go get a drink of water. Okay, stop the heavy breathing, and then We're almost there. We're almost there. Shoot. I should have emptied my waste tank. Well, at the rate it's going, we'll be alright. Okay, so I need to see... Plating. Come on. Floor. Thank you. Flooring. Okay. Definitely need to put it in here, but okay. This is a room. This is a room. It's really cold in here, but it's a room. Awesome. Really love that. Sweet. Okay, so my solar panels should now be protected. That actually maybe should be like a solid wall or something, because there's no need to see inside. I don't know. Fine tuning. That is all that is. Fine tuning. So we close this wall. It's going to need a way to evacuate the air. Yeah, let me just leave that closed. Awesome. Got an airlock in here. So that's... okay, steel wall. Alright, so I am down to here. So this is a frame. Your world, right? Still world? Still world. So I think because the frame, possibly. Composite window. Okay, glass sheets and a crowbar. Glass sheets. Okay, still open world. Yeah, let's test the theory. If I weld up. Of course temporary, because I need to get in there to grab that stuff. If I weld this up, that should now become a room. Alright, cool. There we go. Mission accomplished. Made it into a room. Is exactly what we set out to do. Took a while to get there. Maybe a little hacky here and there, but good. 2 rooms. Happy, happy, happy. So awesome. Let's go in and empty our waste tank before we suffocate. Absolutely, absolutely happy with this. Absolutely. Steel frames, hey. Alright. Iron sheets. I've got some of those. I can throw those on the floor. Iron wall, iron frames, kit wall. I don't have any. No, I do have a wall on me, don't I? I do have a wall on me. Okay, glass sheets actually can go together now. Alright, got a little bit of room. Hey, kit wall. Guess what? Kit wall. I don't know why it told me my stack of stuff was full. It certainly was not. Okay. Oh, I forgot to bring in the silicon. Darn. Alright. So production room is safe. This is... I want to pressurize that at some point. So, perfect. Production room is safe. Solar panels are safe. Back to making power. I might chuck some coal into the generator just to make sure, because you can never be too sure. Oh, yeah. Duh. Originally what came in here for. Let's crack that open. Okay, and we'll swap that out. Okay, and we will chuck that on the ground. And we got a little bit of nitrogen. Suck the nitrogen out of the room. Have our glass of water. And a celebratory potato. That's just canon now. Gotta have the potato. Eventually. I just gotta look and see. I think we got soy and wheat in addition. That's all I got. Alright. Soybeans, wheat, patatoi. Okay. So to get anything more exotic, we definitely do need the... Interesting. Definitely do need to have the trader going. But that will be another time. Ooh, just barely. Just barely. How much nitrogen do I have in here? Well, actually, not a terrible amount. Not a terrible amount, so I am thrilled with that. So, with that, I would like to thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you next time.